find the single discount equivalent to two successive discount of 20% and 5%. So what will happen? If I have 100 rupees, if I give a 20% discount, what happens? It will become 80. If I further give a discount of 5%, what happens is 80 will become 5% of 80 will be 4. 10% is 8, 5% will be 4. So that will become 76. So your 100 is becoming 76. I'm not using any formula. I'm just using concept. Successive discount. 20% discount diya, 80 ho gaya. And on 80, I'm giving 5% discount, 76 ho gaya. So basically 100 is becoming 76. So what is the single discount I can give? From 100 to 76, what's the single discount? Wonderful, it will be 24%. That's your answer. So you can explain like this also. You need not use any formula. By giving 20% discount, you got 80. And on 80, you're giving 5% discount, you're getting 76. Okay. So let's take last problem. Quickly solve this. Okay. The price of a TV is 13,000. Very good. The sales tax charge on it is at the rate of sales tax. Charged on it is the rate of 12%. So you get sales tax on the price, right? That Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. So it is basically here sales tax will always be calculated, which is 12% of the price, which is 13,000. Therefore, 12% of 13,000 is nothing but what? 10% is 1,300. 10% is 1,300. 1% is 130. Therefore, 260. Therefore, 1,560. There are two ways of solving this problem. One is believe in the concept of 100. You know, I always say this, you should fall in love for this number called 100. Now, because he has not given you, so Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. So discount given is 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1,600, after discount he paid 1,600, find the market price. So here, what we should assume is, assume that market price is something like 100 units, not 100 rupees, 100 units. Okay. So if there's a 20% discount, so he would have, your selling price would have been 80, right? If market price is 100 with a 20% discount,
yeah,
20% discount, his selling price would have been 80, correct? So he's asking you what is the actual market price. So if I assume 100 to be the market price, his selling price would have been 80. But what is his selling price?
1,600.
If 80 is equivalent to 1,600, how much is the actual market price? Here is the market price and this is the selling price. According to the problem, if market price is assumed to be 100, selling price is 80 because there was a discount of 20%. If 100, this is 80. If 1,600, how much is this? So how will you do it? Cross multiplying, right? Your 1,600 upon 80 multiplied. Correct? 80 ones are 80 20s are, therefore that should be 2,000.